The giant sequoia and coastal redwood are two of the most spectacular and largest tree species in the world. Their native habitat and conditions vary, but all the way on the other side of the world in Australia, there's an area in which both conditions overlap just enough so they can coexist. In this area, there are 2 coast redwoods and 1 giant sequoia thriving together.
Baby.
They're only little babies at about 150 years of age, and they can live for up to a few thousand years in the right conditions. Here's some videos of me standing next to the trunks, just so you can get a size comparison of how big they already are.